everyone, we're here to do some more flower coasters. I am going to do them all. I may use them for outside or I may actually use them as coasters. I don't know yet. I've mixed up, let me see, JDiction high gloss resin. I have 10 ounces of it because I'm doing 2 projects. I'm going to pour a little in the mold because I've been fooling around and the resin's gotten pretty warm. My table wasn't level, so I had to level my table before I could start pouring. Hopefully I got it fixed. We will see. You know, it's funny, I have all these little levels, right? And they all say something different. I have no idea why, but it's like, is your table level? Yes, yes, no, no, you know, because I have like 5 of them. Because I'm like, one of them has to be bright, right? Yeah, it doesn't work out that way. All right, let's see. I'm hoping I'm still not a little crooked. I'm a little worried because the resin's all going this way. If you notice, the side that it's not filling on is all one side. Oh no. We'll see. We'll see. Hopefully I have it right. All right, let's see. I need just a tad more in this one, I think. All right, and then let's put some for our white. I have another project, so I'm going to put a pretty decent amount, I think. Maybe not quite. Maybe 1.5 ounces there. I am using CastinCraft opaque pigment concentrate, and I think I'm going to use 8 drops for this. We'll see how it does. It is, my resin's already thickened up a little bit, so it should be good. I'm at 3. 6. You know, I'm gonna do 9 because I was thinking while I'm doing this, while it's coming out of the bottle at a decent click, let's go ahead and do 9. And I'm just looking at my molds, trying to tell it isn't even. Oy vey. You never know. All right, so let's get the white mixed really good. You don't want a bright white, you want a milky white. A little past skim milk, I think. If you don't put enough white in, then you get really lacy blooms. We want it to be a little heavier than that. That looks good, I think. Just making sure it's mixed in. I'm having one of those days. So today's the day I'm going to have a mixing problem or, you know, those weird things that come up. All right. So I am just using this Octopus Fluids Emerald because I'm thinking I'm going to back it with something that will play off of this. So that's what I'm thinking. Hopefully I'm putting enough in. I might have to swirl it around a bit because I don't like when I put extra drops in after I do it, because it doesn't seem to feel the same way, you know. So we're going to do a little swirling. Just wanted to make sure I had enough in there. Can tell where I have it more on one side than the other, right? This one looks pretty good. this one looks like I have two eyes to the side. And I don't know what this one's got going on, but we'll fix it. We'll give it some swirls. Pull that back in a little because I'm a little off kilter. I do have to watch because I create bubbles when I do that. All right, so now I have my piping bag and my white. All right. Cut a little tip off. All right. Now, I think what I want to do is start in the center with a spiral. For each. The resin's already kind of thick. Did you just see? It went, okay, maybe we'll come out, maybe we won't. I wanted it to be just a little thinner, but for the inside of the balloon, but it is not cooperating with me. That's okay. That one I did a little bigger, so we're gonna go back. Sort of trying to make them somewhat match. I sort of get bigger as I go along. This one is just gonna be a tricky little guy. All right. Does not want to come out and work with me, does it? All right. Now, what I want to do, if the resin works with me or the white, I'm gonna the light is hitting me funny. Everything's hitting me funny today. These are the days when I should not make anything. It's like whenever things start to go wrong is when I should just put it down and be like, you know what? I'm not doing anything. Forget this. But no, it's my de-stressor and I need it. I don't even think I made enough white for my next, oh, wow. See what I'm talking about? This is insane. Definitely having a day, aren't I? That's okay. It's like in the beginning, it didn't want to come out and now it's jumping out of the bag. We can save this though. We can save it. Look, I really did not make enough white for my next project. That's perfectly fine. All right, so I'm gonna go with the mold, I think, for my pulls. This one, I just can't see anything. Normally I do the mold off to the side a little bit. I think that's why my lighting is a little off. You guys could see my head bobbing in and out of that one. It's pretty funny. Trying to find a location that I could see. All right. Last one, thank goodness. Then I could set this project aside and see what I have for the next one. Now I have a little fuzzy hanging from my stick. I missed this one going in more. All right, so those are done. Now, because what I'm planning on the back, I have these little bits I figured I'd use. They're really just opalescent. That's why I didn't swirl the centers at all. All right. If I back them with something fancy, we'll come back and do it together. Otherwise, we'll come back to see how these look at the very end. See you then. All right, so for these, I just backed them with blue glow powder, and I put some of this glass glitter in there. I'm hoping it should have set fallen to the bottom so it laid on the bloom. We'll see how it came out. That was my intent. But, you know, the best laid plans. Oh, that's actually super pretty. The green glitter is no longer green, though. Do you see that? It is definitely no longer green. Very pretty, and I'm okay that it's not green, that the green came off. I actually probably like it better that it's not green. What do you think? I love this mold. It makes the best flowers. Yeah, I think they all came out very lovely. I like them. Thanks for watching.